Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in this video I'm going to show you. So our use case scenario is for contact table. Job title should not start with any numeric digit from 0 to 9. Mobile field should have at least 10 digits and auto save the form after 10 seconds. So for that, let's go back to our Dynamics 365 environment. So we are back here, try to create a new record, name as, and job title, let's say start with a number, and the mobile phone do not have 10 digits or more than that. And let's save this form, try to save it. So we could see that the first alert has been come, job title cannot start with a numeric value. Now we will click OK and remove this value from here. We can add any value here just like in between also. Now let's try to save it. So now we have another alert that please enter a valid mobile number before saving it. Click on OK. We will fill the mobile number field with more than 10 digits and now save it. So now it's saying that form is valid in saving now. And we can say that our record has been created here. And how I configure this functionality, I'm going to show you in this video. And you will see that in the 10 second, it will show alert that it will auto save. Now you can see that form is valid and saving now. And if we reduce some numbers here, so we could see that please enter a valid mobile number before saving it. So how we configure it, we are going to show you in the see in this video. So let's begin the configuration. This is my Dynamics 365 CRM environment and I am at contacts table. And if I try to create a new contact here, give it a name just like Anurag Tyagi and the job title like this 89 route manager and the mobile number like this. Although we can see that the mobile number is not from the 10 digit or more than 10 digit, and job title contains in the starting numeric digits, and try to save this contact. So as we can see that the system is letting me saving this record because there is no such condition we have. But in our scenario we have a condition that job title must not be start with any numeric digit and the mobile number should be greater than 10 digits. So for that, what we're going to do, we are going to write down a JavaScript. For that, let's open Visual Studio Code. So here I'm going to write down our JavaScript function. So this is my JavaScript and I have added debugger here. So I'm going to go through each and every steps here. First, I'm taking form context from the execution context. Then I, in the mobile variable, I'm storing the attribute of mobile value, mobile phone field, and the job title, I'm getting the attribute of job title field. And here I'm in the job title regex, I'm using this. It will ensure that our job title must not be start with any numeric value. And if it is, then it will return. And in the 16th line, we can say that mobile field should not be empty and the length should be greater than 10. And if it is not, then it will show an alert that please enter a valid mobile number before saving it. And after all the conditions are matched, then it will show that form is valid and saving now. And in the 10-second time span, the form will auto save from this line. If you don't want to form to auto save, you can remove this line also and remove this 10-second time. But I'm using it, so it's up to you. And here I'm using alert box, and this is the dimension of alert box. And we could click OK button to text message when you have that. And then our and in the end we are calling the function on save of the event. There are two ways to implement this JavaScript. So I'm going to show you the direct way. Just copy this and open your browser where you have your Power Apps open and go to Power Apps, open your solution. So this is my solution. Here I'm going to add my JavaScript, click on new, more, and then click on web resource. So there are two ways. One way is that we could choose a JavaScript file and then upload it from our computer, or else just paste your code here. I'm going to copy this execution context to pass this as a first parameter. Select file type as JavaScript. Give it a name just like validation, save, and same display name we could have. Language select English. Click on save. Once it's saved, open your contact table, go to the forms, open up the form where you want to implement this JavaScript. And I want this JavaScript to be called on save of event. So here click on events, event handler, add your library here, search for the library. So this is our JavaScript. Click on add here. Now save the function, paste it here. Pass execution contact as first parameter. Click on done. Now click on save and publish. Now it's been saved, and now go back to your environment. Do a hard refresh. Now we will just make sure that this form is, our JavaScript code is working or not. I'm just removing one of two digits from mobile phone field. Click on save. So as we can see that we have alert that job title cannot start with a numeric value. Now click on OK. So we'll remove this. Try to add numeric digit here, and now click on save. Now it's saying that please enter a valid mobile number before saving. So now we will add digits. Now try to save it. Form is saving. Now as we can see that our form has been saved. So that's it from our video. If you like our content, please like and share. Thank you.